Thank you for tuning in. This is how I make my vegan oxtails. So I'm getting started. I have some king oyster mushrooms that I've half strand. So if you're looking for more of a roast, the baking powder is a really great addition. And so as you can see, I'm adding my seasoning mixture to my pre-measured vital wheat gluten. This is important in my opinion. I've tried it in reverse and come out with a vital wheat gluten mess. In any case, so that's how you make that. And here I have my roasted mushrooms, and I'm just shredding this, and this will give us a more real technique. And I'm going to talk more about that in a future video that I have on making vegan mock meat 101. So stay tuned for that. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time with another recipe. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. Before you leave, make sure you go over and check out my Instagram account and go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I would love to see your food pictures, so make sure you tag me in any of your vegan food pictures, and check out some of my other videos. I have a couple linked in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share it, and I will see you next time.